PureVPN review. So if you want to know if a PureVPN is good or not, then just follow the video. First, you can go with your favorite browser, and after opening your browser, you can go with the PureVPN, which is right here, www.purevpn.com. You can go with the website, or you can also go and download the application. So PureVPN is a solid VPN service known for its extensive server network. It has strong security features and user-friendly interface. It offers a no-log policy and various protocols, including WireGuard, OpenVPN, and IKEv2. The speeds are decent, though they can be inconsistent depending on the server. It supports streaming and torrenting, but some users report mixed success with bypassing geo restrictions. The customer support is responsive, but the refund policy has some limitations. Overall, it's a good choice for privacy conscious users. You can just simply go with Get Pure VPN, which is on the top right, or you can go with Try Team Plans. And from here, you will have the plans like Standard, Plus, or Max. So you can just simply go with any plan that you're comfortable with, and you will have the information what includes in these plans. You will have 5-year plan, 2-year plan, 1-year plan, or monthly plan. You can just simply go with any plan that you're comfortable with. And after selecting, you can go with Get the Plan, and you can go with Create Your Account if you've not created, and then select your payment method, and you'll be able to use your Pure VPN. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching. A2 hosting review. So if you want to know about the A2 hosting, then just follow the video. You can go with the website with a2hosting.com, and it will take you to the website, which looks like this. So A2 Hosting is a reliable web hosting provider known for its speed, performance, and excellent customer support. It offers a variety of hosting plans, including shared, VPS, and dedicated hosting. So you can just go with the Start Now option, which is right here, Get Started. You can go with it. And here, if you already have an account, you can go and log into your account. But if you don't have an account, then you can create an account, and you can go with the second step, which is you need to register a domain, or if you already have a domain, you can go with the first option, and you can configure your hosting, your billing, and you can pay, right? So you can either compare the plans. So if you scroll down here, you will have shared hosting, hosting for WordPress, VPS hosting, and dedicated hosting. You can go with any one of these plans. You can also go with view all plans, which is right here on the bottom, and you can also compare the plans. So if you go with compare, then it will compare all of the plans to you. These all plans are optimized for high speed performance with SSD storage and turbo servers. The uptime is impressive, and security features are free, like SSL, malware scanning, and DDoS protection add extra value. The customer support, known as Guru Crew, is responsible and knowledgeable. While pricing can be slightly higher than budget hosts, the performance and reliability make it worth the investment. So overall, A2 hosting is a great choice for businesses, developers, and bloggers looking for fast and secure hosting. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.